So I tested iSpyPens.com to see if it's a real online store or a possible scam, and here's my honest review. iSpyPens.com presents itself as an e-commerce store selling various home and garden products at discounted prices, sometimes claiming fast shipping and quality merchandise. My experience and what I've found during testing is its independent website Trusttool gives this domain a very low trust score and highlight it as suspicious or unsafe. The domain is newly registered and has little to no verifiable presence of users' review online, which are common signs of an unestablished and potential risky e-commerce site. Some tools flag it as high risk or phishing or spam, while others indicate moderate caution and no trust indicators reliability. Because of it has no strong evidence of successful deliveries or satisfied customer, it's hard to call this a trustworthy online store. Positive things about it is it offers product listing and shopping cart functionality like a normal e-commerce site. It has a valid SSL certificate, meaning data between you and the site is encrypted. Problems or the red flags. Its extremely low trust score from multiple analysis sites, newly registered domain with no established reputation, no clear user review or confirmed order history publicly available. iSpyPens.com appears high risk and unproven as an online shopping site until it builds a legitimate reputation and confirmed customer experiences. It's safe to avoid ordering and entering sensitive information. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.